Today we'll be switching out the HID D2S headlights on 2009 G37, my mom's car. Anyway, fortunately and unfortunately for this, we don't have the molding that's going across here, and that allows me to get into this really easy. So I'm gonna choose this side to film. The other side's gonna be the same. So this is where the headlight is, and you just have to twist that out. Then you have the ballast. That's what controls the headlight, and that just twist, and you pull that, let that hang. Now let me see if I get this angle in here better. These are the tabs that you have to release. So that's kind of like a pinch and release, and the bulb will come out. Okay. It's kind of hard to just film that out. Oh Lord, let's see. Let's get this out. Let's see, one more. Okay. You lift that, light comes out of there. Okay. The locking tab, you just have to pinch and lock back, the same way you did it. And this has to press down and lock back, and that holds it in. Now you just have to get your cover back on, lock it, and we're gonna test it out. All right, it's hard to see because it's daytime, but you can tell it's on. All right, I'm not gonna leave it on too long because I gotta do the other side.